Transform your brand's social media with hyper-realistic UGC ads, all created for absolutely $0 using the power of AI. First, let's generate a compelling script. Head over to a free AI script writing tool. In the prompt, clearly state your product or service, your target audience, and the desired call to action. For example, write a 30-second UGC ad script for a sustainable coffee brand, targeting millennials, emphasizing ethical sourcing and delicious taste, ending with "Shop now." The AI will then craft a natural-sounding, engaging script perfect for a user-generated feel. Next, we need an authentic voice. Utilize a free AI text-to-speech generator. Any offer a surprisingly natural and diverse range of voices. Select a voice that resonates with your brand and target demographic. Paste your generated script. Tweak any nuances in pacing or emphasis, and download the audio file. It's that simple to get a professional voiceover without hiring anyone. Now for the visuals. This is where a free AI video editor with UGC-style assets shines. Upload your downloaded voiceover, then use the AI's capabilities to select relevant, user-generatedly stock footage or even generate short video clips based on keywords from your script. Look for features that allow you to easily sync visuals to your audio. Add text overlays with your brand's message, and incorporate simple transitions to keep it dynamic and engaging. Focus on building a narrative that feels genuine and relatable, just like a real customer testimonial. Select clips that show the product in use, highlight the benefits, and convey the emotion. Use the AI's editing tools to trim clips precisely to your voiceover. Add simple lower thirds with product names, or even highlight key phrases. The goal is authenticity, so avoid overly polished or corporate-looking edits. And there you have it. Why a high-quality, user-generated content advertisement, crafted entirely for free using multiple AI tools. This approach allows you to create a consistent flow of fresh, authentic ad content that resonates with your audience and drives results, all without touching your marketing budget.